Man, what up, what up? It's your boy Mark. Man, I started working and I said, let me stop and record a little bit and show y'all what I'm about to do. Okay, as y'all can see, I got two fuel rails right here. One is returnless, one is return style. Okay, but I'm missing one injector off of this one. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna just take all the flex fuel injectors off of this one and put them on this one. Cause this is the fuel rail I'm going with. And this is the intake I'm going with right here, which is the tri-bar cable. So, which I probably could have just put that throttle body on, but nah. But I'm just going with that one, don't worry about it. So, but yeah. So right now, like I say, I'm gonna change these injectors out and get my intake together, because I'm about ready to start this motor up here in a minute. Hold on. But yeah, that's my intake put together, y'all. Like I say, flex fuel injectors, returnless style rail. We on our way. About ready to start it on up. But yeah, that's your boy Mark. Like always, keep it pushing, y'all.